How to watch Instagram live. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you watch Instagram live on your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Instagram app in your device. So simply you have to open the app Instagram. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app, you'll got such interface. So from here to watch the Instagram live, you'll have to go the option source icon. So simply tap on source icon, and now from here you'll have to search for live. So simply you can easily find the live videos that is occurring on Instagram. So you can easily find the live from here. So right now there is no any live videos on the Instagram. Alright, so in the profile section at the top in your friend list, you will be able to see your Instagram live that your friends are doing that live on Instagram. So from there you can easily tap on that profile and you can easily watch that Instagram live. So this is the easiest and simplest method to watch Instagram live on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.